The story of life is like sailing. The water rushing past the keel. It trails ever distant and is all too soon more behind us than ahead. And with the voyage of time, fade our chances of finding what has been lost, or ever getting that which has never been. Love and happiness may be fleeting, or elusive, or evasive, and not always attained. This is one of those stories, of one life hoping for a second chance in the eternal quest for love and happiness. Loss. There are lots of kinds of losses. What are some losses that you guys might have experienced?
I lost my virginity.
Not the kind of loss I meant. Some losses are significant, life-changing events, aren't they?
Mother's father's lost in
I lost my mother.
I lost my
I wouldn't be in
boyfriend.
this place if she were still alive.
Here we go again.
What about the loss? Hey, excuse me. What about the loss that comes from being sick with a serious mental illness? That kind of messes up your life, doesn't it? Since you guys have been in this hospital, you're all too familiar with the problems that you have and how you think and how you feel. But there's something else going on, and it's called grieving. Now, this is something that everyone experiences, whether they're aware of it or not. And there are some well-known stages of grief: anger and depression. Two most problematic. Anger. Woo! This is a difficult emotion to handle, even if you're not sick. Any of you guys feel angry about your illness?
I'm not angry. So I guess I don't belong here.
Roger, sit down. If there's anyone who needs to be here, it's you.
Yeah, Roger. If we have to be here, then you have to be here.
Hey, whoa, 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 whoa. Not like that. Sit down. Hey, chill. Sit down, sit down, sit down. Sit. Let's pick this up tomorrow, okay?
You okay, Doc? You look a little bummed out.
Never better.
David, Dr. Wallenstein wants to talk to you. He's on line 1.
Hi, Carl.
So you know about Roger? I mean, you better call a case conference and get the PRNs in.
Yeah. Thanks, Carl. I'll do just that.
David, you gonna be okay?
Yeah.
Doc, wait a minute. How about a nice home-cooked meal, some good company?
I don't think that's a good idea, Sally.
I thought it was.
My dearest darling David, I don't know when you will find this letter, and I hope that when you do, enough time has passed, that you have done your grieving and have gotten beyond the pain. I never want you to forget me, but I don't want to keep you from ever being happy again.
Can't you watch where you're going, dude? What, are you high or something? I could have broken an arm or a leg or something, then I couldn't have worked. Then what would I have done?
I think this is yours! What?
Your favorite patient busted out a window this morning.
Thanks, I'll take care of it.
That's good, because I put him in your office.
I've been a bad boy, huh? I've been sent to the principal's office.
Roger, you're not a kid in school, and this isn't disciplinary.
I shouldn't be here. I didn't do nothing.
Reality check. You assaulted someone, which got you into this hospital in the first place. Here, you hit a patient, and you just broke out a window. I wouldn't call that nothing.
He was listening to my thoughts.
Okay.
My mind is my mind, if you don't mind.
Roger, that is your illness talking. Now, the meds are going to help with that, but you got to take them.
That's all part of your plan. Goodbye, doctor. I'm out of here.
You don't stop and you are out of here, like for real.
What did you say?
I said, if you don't take your meds, you'll be sent back to the mental health unit at county jail, and from there to state prison.
You don't play fair.
I think I do. The decision is yours. Frankly, in my opinion, it's a no-brainer. Come on. Take the meds. Work with me.
Okay, I'll take them.
What was that?
I said I'll take them, okay? Can I go now?
You can go. Fuck, what am I doing?
Excuse me. I'm looking for a young woman. She's usually right around here. I think that she might be homeless.
Lots of young women around here.
Yeah, dark hair, combat boots. She might be an artist.
What you want with her for? You like that homeless pussy?
You know what? I think I made a mistake.
Hey, hey! You gonna give up that easy? Shit. Man, you ain't got no votes. You wanna find it, you gonna have to try harder than that. Now, the info you want is highly confidential, sensitive data, you know, First Amendment rights and all that shit. Not your typical handout. Get what I mean?
Okay, listen. If you must know, I found something in hers and I want to return it.
You paid good money. I'll return it for you.
Oh, yeah. That's okay. I think I'll do it. Do you know where I can find her?
You see, that's not a simple answer when you think about it. All the ramifications and implications that might go over in the universe. You see, there I am, right there in the middle. If it goes down good, I'm the man. If it goes down bad, I'm the shit. No. Ain't worth the risk.
Okay.
Ain't worth the risk.
All right. I give up.
Hey, you in there?
I need a broken vase. Come on, where are you?
Look, somebody looking for you.
Who's looking for me?
I don't know. Some white dude says he has something to return to you. You know a white boy that's hot for you?
Was he cute?
No, he's an ugly old guy. You know, buck teeth. He ain't got no style like those.
Ha! Found it. Can we take that?
This ain't broken.
Give me it. Now it is. Hey, you didn't say anything to him, did you?
Well, why would I do that?
This will be absolutely perfect.
Yeah, it was before, but damn, now it ain't.
Vicky, you need to find the beauty in the broken.
Beauty in the broke.
Hello? Oh, hey, Sally. Listen, I'm driving right now. I can't really talk. He's taking them? Great. I'll be right...
Come on.
Good, Randy. The poetry therapy's really working. Keep it up.
If you believe, you can achieve.
Aren't you a little old for that?
See you tomorrow, Sally. Hello? Hello?
What the hell are you doing here?
Shit.
Oh my God, you're a fucking stalker!
Oh, hey, take it easy, take it easy.
Get the hell away from here! Oh, you may now take your leave. No, get the hell out of here so I don't have to call reinforcements.
Reinforcements?
Guys, he's right here. Come and get him.
Who? What? Ow! Jesus! Hey!
Get out here.
Hey, that's
Go.
intentional! Ow!
Yeah, you better run.
I miss her, Doc. I miss her so bad. She was the prettiest girl I ever saw. I couldn't stop looking at her. It was love at first sight. I thought I'd live the rest of my life with her.
Love at first sight, the world is so bright. It never lasts. Or does it?
Stan, what was she like, the person?
I don't know, Doc. I only saw her one time.
What?
43 years, 7 months, 8 days, 14 hours, 16 minutes, and...
That's so sad it's almost funny.
So Stan, you never got to know her.
I took a picture of her.
You should have listened to her thoughts instead of your heart. They are never who you think they are.
You know, that can also work the other way, Raj. But you're right, you gotta get to know them.
She's been married already. She's had kids. She's had 30 grandchildren. She's old and fat.
Don't do this, guys!
Yeah, probably dead and buried. A friggin' ghost.
You guys are cruel!
Stan.
Come on.
No, guys, it's okay. Let him go. He needs some time alone. He needs some time to cry.
That trash is my trash, and you better keep your filthy hands out of there.
No way, dude. Once it's in the can and on public street, it is fair game.
Homeless are the scourge of the city.
Oh, yeah, and you capitalist pigs are the racists of this society.
Hey, we should be able to settle this amicably, don't you think?
No.
Miss, please, I don't have to take you in, okay?
Oh, Jesus.
Hi. Can I help?
Look, this doesn't concern you, and you're not involved.
I'm Dr. Myers, and this woman's a patient.
Sure. Now, look, we've got ordinances in this city against loitering and against littering. We also seem to have an issue here with being a public nuisance.
Why don't you take him in for harassing the good citizens of this society?
Okay. Would you just stop it for a second? She's in a new, innovative program at the hospital for obsessive kleptomania, which is really, it's an impulse control disorder and an inability to stave off the urge to scavenge, which is actually a subcategory of the main disorder, which is to steal, which, incidentally enough, she's not doing with the public trash. The treatment for which is basically, a patient does it over and over and over to endless absurdity. So much so that they get so sick and tired of it, they just stop. Anyway, thank you for your understanding. I'm really sorry if she bothered you, and we'll be taking our leave now.
No, I'm not leaving
Yes,
that.
you are going to leave it now.
What?
I'm not an obsessive kleptomaniac. I'm an artist.
I know. You want to have lunch with me?
Did you do all that just to get me to have lunch with you?
Yeah, come on. I'm David. What's your name?
Let's not get too personal.
You can't smoke a joint in here.
I got a prescription.
Put it away.
You got your drugs, I got mine.
Put it out. Put it out.
You really need to relax.
What was that for?
Sorry.
Hi, David. I got to get you some water.
Thank you.
Of course, David. I'll be right back.
So here we are.
Yep, here we are.
So, have you lived on your... where have you lived on? Your place? Have you lived in your place long?
What's all the questions?
I'm just trying to make conversation.
Oh. Where do you live? How you like all the questions?
My situation changed, so now I live on a boat.
What happened? Did your wife throw you out?
Okay.
Patty, you know what I would love? A barbecue bacon cheeseburger. If you could actually just put it on sliced white bread, it would be more of like a patty melt. And if you just do like extra mayo, just right on there. Lots of grilled onions. I love grilled onions. And you know what? Maybe we can put an egg on there, just right on top.
Is that going to be it?
Yeah, I think so.
And you, Lydia?
I'll just have a salmon burger.
Okay. Anything to drink? Hello? Drink?
You know, I would love a beer.
And you?
I'm thinking Diet Coke.
Thank you, Patty. What was what?
Please put your foot in the crotch.
I don't know what you're talking about.
Nervous. On meds? I mean, other than the, what do you call it?
You know, it's none of your damn business what I'm on. Are you always in people's business and telling them what to do?
Yeah, sometimes.
Great, don't.
You shouldn't drink alcohol if you're on psychotropic medication. Judging from that little shake you had, you may have a touch of tardive dyskinesia.
Hey, Dad, I did not let you take me to lunch just to have a doctor's appointment, thanks.
No, I'm not a medical doctor. I'm a psychologist.
You guys are crazy. I'm out of here.
No, wait. I'm sorry.
Don't touch me.
I'm sorry. It's just...
There's nothing wrong with me.
I didn't say there was. I didn't bring you here for anything.
So why did you take me here anyway?
I don't know.
What does someone like you want with someone like me?
I thought maybe...
Yes, sure. If you think you're going to do me, come about it.
You were with someone, weren't you? That's why you wouldn't have dinner with me.
I didn't leave you to work in here too long, Sally. I didn't realize paranoia was catching. I'm not doing that.
Doc, you have to get over it. You want to be mired in your misery.
I do not want to be mired in my misery.
No dates, no women. You want to be all alone.
You have been working here too long.
The dinner offer's still good. You drink coffee?
I mean, do you have decaf?
Jesus, what good is that? It's like the pot without THC.
Okay, I'll have what you have.
Good. But dangerously.
Did you paint this?
Who do you think did it?
This is good.
No, it's not.
Yeah, it is. I mean, there's pathos, tension, drama.
All right, this isn't a Rorschach test, okay, Dr. Psychologist?
What I see is for me to know and for you to none of your damn business. Tardive discombobulation?
Pretty sure not.
Must have me been. Here, take a hit, it'll relax you.
Do you smoke to get high, or does it help you?
Is there a difference? All right, you really want to know?
Yeah.
The demons. It keeps the demons away.
It keeps the demons away?
Haunting, horrible things that come at night that want to fuck me. So now you know.
I'm sorry. That must be awful.
It is. I've never told anyone that before.
Whoa.
Oh, relax.
Whoa.
Relax.
Whoa.
We all have demons.
I'm sorry.
Are you serious?
I can't.
46. 47. Come on, David. Come on, push, David. Push, David. Come on, give me one more. You can do it.
Easy for you to say.
You did it last time. Come on.
Yeah, that was last time. This time I'm tired.
Tired? Why are you tired? Who knows if I'm tired? Look at me. I'm old and I'm tired and I keep on going. Ouch. You know, physical activity is the best thing for depression.
I'm not depressed, Carl. I'm just tired. What do you think about synchronicity?
Best police album ever. Sting is awesome.
I think he means when seemingly unrelated events don't happen by chance.
It's like mailing a letter and meeting someone that you never would have met.
A door opens, a passage revealed. The world moves in mysterious, synchronistic ways.
And in this mysterious, synchronistic world, does one follow the path?
It's never a simple answer.
Yeah, I heard that recently. It cost me $10. Make that 11.
Hey, you gotta take it. But I got a freebie for you. Carlos Castaneda, the great author, once said, look at every path closely, deliberately. Try it as many times as you feel necessary. Then ask yourself one question. Does the path have heart? If it does, then it's good. If it doesn't, then it's of no use to you.
Does the path have heart?
Yeah, does the path have heart? You should go for it. Now, let's gym out these squats.
Like a bad dream.
Hey, I'm good with dreams. We can work on that.
You're pretty dense for a shrink. I feel sorry for your patient.
Yeah, me too.
Okay, let me see how I can put it in simple terms that you can understand.
First, I never wanted to meet you. And second, I never want to see you again.
I know I shouldn't barge in. I know that. I was driving by and I thought I'd say hello.
Just driving by. Okay, great. Yeah, hello. Bye-bye.
No, please. I don't want to be alone. Please. That was cool. Was that rap?
Okay. Come out of here. Let's go.
Okay.
This is when I throw out all the day-old baked stuff, all the outdated cans, all the soggy vegetables, all sorts of goodies. You never know what you're going to find. That's the beauty of it.
Listen, you're going to get in trouble again, okay? And next time, I may not be there to help you out.
No, they know what we're doing. They're cool with it. We're part of the cycle, you know? They throw it out, we take it in, everyone's happy. Freeganism. Have you ever heard of freeganism? Google it, you'll learn something. I'm lucky when I have a place. Want to come in for a while? I got decaf.
I can't believe I'm going to say no, but it's been a long day and a long night, and I've got an early morning meeting at the hospital.
Come on. Please.
You're killing me. Tomorrow?
Sounds good. Love to. Hey, Ziggy.
Hey.
What are you doing?
Oh, you know, I noticed your door wasn't closed right. You know, how you gonna keep the place up? You know, keep the riffraff out.
I'm fine, no worries.
You know, I should have put some deadbolts on here when I built it. You know, don't worry, I'll get you some really good ones.
No, really, I'm good. You don't even have to bother.
But when you know, nothing happened to my little girl.
Zeke, for the millionth time, I am not a little girl.
I mean, like, you was really special to me. You gotta know, I never felt anything like I do for you, like for anybody else.
Me too, Zeke. You're a real special friend. That's nice. Just get back to work. All right. All right.
Okay.
I'll see you later, alligator.
Okay.
Oh my God! You scared me.
I'm sorry. That's pretty nice, isn't it?
Why are mannequins so skinny?
It's gonna look great on you.
Oh my God, it's fine.
Listen, what you got, this whole thing is not fine.
If I want something, I'll get something,
Get
okay?
out of a dumpster.
Jesus, are you trying to change me or something?
No, it's just what you wear. It says a lot about who you are, you know? I mean, certain people take one look at you.
Yeah, I'm adorable.
And they're gonna see. You are adorable.
I'm me, and I'm fine with that, so you can go fuck yourself.
Right.
Will you? Come on. Thank you.
No. You're gonna give me some props right now, aren't you? Yes, I do. I do know what I'm talking about, don't I?
My art should be.
Someday maybe it will be. How are you on the street? I mean, I know you got a place and everything, but...
I don't know, I went away from home when I was 14.
That's young.
Yeah, well, you shrink to know there's a reason for everything, right?
Right. Want to talk about it?
No. What about you?
Well, you know, it's rare for anyone to go through life unscathed. I mean, it's kind of like you said, you know. Everybody's got something.
You want to talk about it?
Not really.
Are you sure there's nothing you want to talk to me about? Yeah, that.
Oh, yeah. That, I'd rather not.
I think we need to, don't you?
My wife died. She died 11 months ago from cancer.
Really? Fuck, I'm sorry. Here. Yes. Guaranteed to help you cope. Doctor's orders. Come on. Yeah. God, sunsets are beautiful. Why doesn't the moon set like the sun?
Maybe it's because the moon's cold and the sun's fiery.
Kind of like you and me, huh? Thanks.
I still don't know your name.
Pillay. My name is Pillay.
Hey, Carl. Yeah, sure, I could use a break.
Man, the world looks so beautiful from up here.
Yeah, that's because you can't see what's going on down there. You missed group today, that's not like you.
Yeah, I know. Overslept. Sorry.
Well, David, I don't know, always tired, lots of appetite. Stricken your responsibilities, it sounds like depression.
No way, Carl. Come on, man. I am the furthest thing that you can imagine from
you are
depression.
entering the manic stage. I mean, you should know this.
Can't someone be tired, not hungry, feel good, and it not be a clinical issue?
All right, well, if it's not that, what is it then?
Does it always have to be something?
Can you get that?
No, it's okay. It'll go to voice message.
No, it's all right. Go ahead. I'm good.
Come on. Yeah? Okay. Listen, I can't really talk right now.
Come on. Do you miss me?
Yeah, I miss you.
That's better. God, it was so romantic last night. Out on the beach, under the stars. Why don't you come over?
Oh, God, I would love to, but I just got in right now and I can't get away. I'm working, remember?
Me too. But you know what? I am willing to take time off from the dumpsters. Come on, I promise we'll have a good time.
Listen, Polly, I really can't.
You know, maybe I don't miss you after all.
Oh, come on, Polly, don't be that way. Listen, I'll call you after work.
Yeah, don't worry about it.
Oh, shit.
Everything all right?
Yeah. No, it's the call dropped.
You seem upset. Come on, what's wrong?
No, it's nothing important. It's just... Look, I gotta go.
David, we need to talk.
Listen, no, we will. I gotta go.
Look sexy as hell in them jeans, baby.
You like?
I like a lot. What dumpster they come out of?
I don't remember.
Funny. Just your size.
Yeah, good find, right?
Good find. Was the dumpster behind the clothing store?
All right, someone got him for me, okay?
Now, why would someone do something like that? You do something for him?
No, I did not do something for him.
White dude, huh?
Yeah, the white dude. There's nothing there anymore. It pissed me off. It's over.
You really done?
Yeah, like stick a fork in me, done.
Show. Got you a nice pair of jeans, huh?
Stop. Zeke, that's enough. Stop. Get off me. Zeke, we're just friends. Get off of me.
Listen to me, girl. I take care of you. You take care of me.
No.
Hello, is that you?
Oh, Mr. Hero.
What's going on?
Stop.
Oh,
Zeke, stop.
You done it down, motherfucker.
Stop. I'm alone and this never happens again. Do you understand me? Just leave him alone. Are you okay?
Oh, better get your ass out of here.
Come on. You said you weren't coming over.
I said after work.
No, you said you'd call after work.
And you said he was just a friend.
He is just a friend.
You know what? Why am I always having to rescue you?
You don't always have to rescue me. Just sometimes we get in situations where we don't have a choice, David. You don't always have a choice.
We always have choices, Pele.
Don't be so damn self-righteous, dude. You've never been on the streets. You don't know what it's like. We can't live like you doctors can.
I don't fucking need this shit.
Wait, don't go. I'm sorry, don't go.
You know, for me, physical intimacy is for when two people who care about each other deeply share themselves because of love.
Do you feel making love to me is cheating on your wife?
Don't go there, Pele. Please don't go there.
It's really sweet. Really, it's really sweet. I know you loved her. I know you were faithful to her, but she's gone. She's gone now.
Pele.
She ain't there, white boy. No, I think it'd be better for the both of us if you get your ass out of here.
I don't think so, Zeke.
Yeah, I think so. You see, this is my world. And this is Pale's. And you ain't got no place in it.
Is this really your world, Zeke?
Yeah, it is. 'Cause there's pussies like you to get more afraid of. Who done 3 tours in Iraq. Seen shit. No man should see. Done shit. No man should do.
I'm not scared of you, Zeke.
You see, they all gone like you gone. Then it's back to old Zeke. Always back to old Zeke. 'Cause Zeke could have cared for her.
Yeah, well, if old Zeke cared about her so much, maybe you'd let me help her.
You see, and that's what I'm afraid of. You help her, I lose her. No fucking way that's gonna happen.
Nothing's the matter, really.
I'm a nurse. Don't you think I know when someone's hurting? What? You need some TLC.
Listen, I know that you care about me, and I really appreciate it, but...
Maybe you need someone to talk to. Everyone's always dumping on you, but who do you have?
Thank you, but it's not something that I really want to talk about.
Whoever it is and whatever it's about, you don't need the hurt. Obviously, it's not working, and I'm guessing that it's complicated and messy. It wouldn't be that way with us.
Sally, I like you. Just not in the way that you want me to. I'm so sorry. I'm sorry, guys. Do you mind if we just skip group today? If you could just please.
You sure about this?
Hey, Stan.
Sure, Doc.
How come you never went after her?
I thought she didn't want me. It's haunted me all my life. I don't wish it on anyone.
Thanks, Stan.
Doesn't cut it. And if you just run out on me like that, how can I trust you're going to be there for me?
Be there for you, okay? I promise.
Yeah, you and everyone else. Look, I don't need you or anyone else.
Okay. You don't. I get it. But just, there's something I want you to see, okay? Would you come with me now, please?
Why are you always telling me what to do?
I'm not telling you. I'm asking you.
Where are you taking me?
You'll see.
What are we doing here? Come on, we're going to get in trouble. Get the hell out. Come on.
We're not going to get in trouble.
Wait, why do you have the keys? Whose pad is this anyway?
It's yours. And you get to pick the furniture.
Oh, yeah, sure. Come on, will you take me home? You cannot use the
A real toilet. And hot and cold running water. You're gonna like this place.
In the bathroom?
No, in the apartment. It's yours.
You trying to change me again?
I wouldn't think of it.
I like my place. It's home.
I understand.
Look, even if I worked at dumpsters night and day, I couldn't afford this, okay? So let's just go.
Someday you will, when you sell your artwork. But for now, I'm paying for it.
No, I will not be a kept woman.
It wouldn't be like that.
I'm out of here. Let's go.
Whoa, whoa, whoa. You almost ran into your easel.
What?
Your art studio.
What the hell are you talking about?
Your easel's there. Cabinet for your paints and brushes. Table for your sculptures. Right?
I love it.
You're welcome. You were such a pain. Baby.
What are you doing here?
Happy to see me, huh? These are for you. come in?
Kind of busy.
It's quite a place. Yeah. Sure have made it out the streets. Must be big bucks. Now, I know you ain't got that kind of dough, so you must be paying for it somehow.
Yeah, I'm gonna sell some of my paintings.
Don't you bullshit me.
He loves music.
And I don't?
Zeke, it's different.
It's no different. And just because I can't afford what Dr. Whitey can don't mean I don't.
Zeke, I'm sorry, but it is different.
Do you love him?
Stop, give me that. Hey, stop, give me that. Hey.
Don't go ahead anymore. You got it, asshole!
Come on, pick up, pick up, pick up.
Where are you going? You had your curve in 20 minutes.
You do it, Sally. They'll love you.
You is my baby.
Get off me!
And you call him again, I'm gonna kill him! Huh? Do you hear me?
Get off me!
Now, he goes away. One way or the other.
Hey, it's me. It's David. Open up. Pele! Are you in there?
Please just go away.
What do you mean, go away? Open the door. Pele!
Please just go away. Who's there?
Pele, it's me. It's David.
Oh my God, what are you doing here? You can't be here.
We have to talk, please.
No, David, please just go away.
I won't. I'm staying until you open the door.
Fine, so stay.
Fine.
kids, did you?
No. She couldn't.
I'd love to have a little girl. I'd make sure she's a happy little girl.
I'm sure you would.
I mean, it doesn't have to be a girl. I know guys always want to have a son. You're not too old for that, right? Like, old guys can still do all that.
Whoa. Slow down.
I'm not that much fun, and, ever, actually.
Yeah?
Yeah. You're pretty fun, old man.
Oh, you think you can go again, old man?
Who are you calling old man?
Steve, stop! Stop! Stop!
bad? I guess you could say that.
You want to tell me about her?
There's nothing to tell.
You trying to rescue her?
Maybe in the beginning.
I want to tell you something. This is not My Fair Lady. You are not going to make a duchess out of that crazy, pot-smoking, homeless piece of street trash. You know that? You know the story of Pygmalion? Do you know this story?
I know the story.
It's a myth, David.
Pele's not a myth. She is for real.
Yeah, so is getting the shit beat out of you.
All I know is she makes me laugh and cry and smile and feel good. She's passionate and she loves me. Carl, for the first time since Ellen died, I'm happy.
You've got to let her go. Or next time, he could kill you. David!
I got a second chance, Carl. And there is no way in hell that I'm letting that go. I think you could work a little harder, don't you? Good. I'm gonna hold you to that, okay? Okay, get out of here. And I want that list. Oh my God. This is Dr. Myers. I got a security breach in my office. I need someone here as soon as possible. Hurry, hurry!
Doc, don't. Wait, stop. I'm not gonna hurt you. I just want to talk to you. Doc, you all right?
What are you doing here?
I can't take what this does to me anymore. And what I did to you.
You almost killed me, and now you want me to help you.
I know. I know. I'm sorry. I'm so sorry. But you know how I feel about her. I was crazy jealous, but it was the PTSD.
This would be a highly unusual and irregular arrangement.
Hey, ain't that what you got with Pele? Huh? Huh?
Are you willing to let yourself be hospitalized? Take medication? Therapy will not be easy. You'll have to let yourself re-experience the traumas. It'll be emotionally painful. Do you think you can handle that?
I'll go through hell and back with you. Hmm? Huh?
Okay.
Huh? Okay?
Don't hurt me again. Okay. Okay, take him to the front desk and have him see Sally. She'll know what to do. Okay, Zeke.
Thank you. I'm sorry, baby. I'm sorry.
What the fuck is Zeke here?
He wants me to treat him.
What? How could you do that after what he did to you? You should be locked up, you nuts.
Yeah, maybe. But you know, we sent him over there and they come back all messed up. Somebody's got to pick up the pieces.
You were amazing.
Mm-hmm.
You'd be a good dad.
Well, I don't know about that.
Did you want to try?
Why would you? Would you want to have a baby?
I don't know. It scares the hell out of me. Especially if it's a girl.
Well, I thought you wanted a girl.
Things happen to little girls.
What things?
I don't know. Things. Nothing. Forget I said anything, okay?
LA.
Just drop it.
What?
Don't worry about it.
LA. Talk to me. What?
There's something I haven't told you. Or anyone.
Well, you told me about the demons.
It's not about the demons. It's about why the demons.
It's what to do about the demons that's important.
There's nothing you can do about them. They'll never leave. Things happen. You can't change that.
Yeah, it's true. You can't change what happened. But you can change how you feel about what happened. Lie back.
Why?
Just lie back. Okay. Close your eyes.
Okay, this is therapy, isn't it? Is it gonna hurt?
No. Take a deep breath. Take a deep breath in. Hold it. And as you do, you feel a wave of relaxation move through you from the top of your head all the way down to your toes. Just feel it as you go deeper and deeper.
Okay, you're trying to hypnotize me, but I can't be hypnotized. I was in Vegas once, and they wanted people to come up on stage and get hypnotized to do stupid stuff, and they couldn't do it on me, and it's not going to work. So I would just let you, you should just...
I'm beginning to think that you don't want to get rid of your demons.
Okay. I am in your power. I am in your power.
Okay.
Okay.
One more deep breath in. Okay, you're standing at the top of a stairway. And you're going to walk down the steps one by one. And as you do, you can feel yourself deeper and deeper, more and more relaxed. Let me know when you get to the bottom of the stairs. Okay, good. In front of you is a doorway. Open it. And when you pass through it, you'll be back in time. You'll see yourself from a time long ago when you were a little girl. Perhaps it's a time when something made you feel very uncomfortable. Maybe it upset you terribly. Maybe it even hurt you. It's okay to open that door. Don't tell me what you see, but I want you to observe yourself as the person that you are now, a knowledgeable, intelligent, mature adult. Have her tell you how she's feeling. Tell her she has every right to those feelings. I want you to ask yourself, with everything you know as a grown-up, are those feelings helpful or useful to you now?
No.
Right. Those bad feelings are no longer necessary, and you can just let go of them. You don't have to keep them anymore. And it will feel so good to let them go.
Yes.
Now, your job is to help her know that it was not her fault what happened.
It's a very cute little girl. was a little princess.
But it was no excuse for what he did. You were just a little girl. And he was a big, strong, grown-up man who beat you and threatened you if you didn't do what he wanted. There was nothing you could have done about it. Nothing.
You fucking asshole. I hate you. I hate you. There's an empty place in my heart. It's waiting for you. You can live there forever. Okay.
Notice how good it feels to have her there. Feel all the warm, good feelings that come with this. And you can open your eyes.
The beauty in your heart needed setting free. Could you be who you could be? The day will come, your broken will be mended, never knowing how or when. All we know is it will be, 'cause there's beauty in your broken, beauty in your broken.
And then she tells me about her abuse as a little girl.
She should see someone.
She did see someone.
Don't tell me.
Okay, I won't.
David, doctors have been stooping their patients since the beginning of time. You know, there's very strict rules about that kind of
She's
stuff.
not my patient.
That's a pretty fine line. I did the ethics board to come up against that. It went well.
It went incredibly well. I mean, it was spontaneous, and she was really ready for an intervention. I mean, we made progress. We made such incredible progress.
Would you mind if I give you some advice? If she's doing as well as you say she is, and I have no reason to doubt that, that's the truth. You've got to give her time to process it, to see how she feels about it, what she's going to do with it, where she's going to go. You have to give her that. You know you do. And you know what that means.
Oh my, I don't think I've ever even been on a boat before. So this is it.
This is it.
This is where you live.
Yeah, have a look around. You hungry?
Starving. Dearest darling Ellen, thank you for freeing me.
Oh, I don't.
I did meet someone. She's very different from you, and I think you like her. I hope so because I love her. There will always be a place for you in my heart. I will always love you. Goodbye, my darling. David.
You know, if I had never written her those letters, you and I would never have met.
If she didn't die, we never would have met.
I know.
Okay.
Would you mind if I give you some advice? She needs time to process it. gotta take it in.
But you gotta let her go.
You always live your life reacting to what happened to you.
I know. Come on, let's eat.
Oh, I need you to understand that you're different now. You're gonna see and feel things differently.
I know, baby. It's all good. Can we enjoy our breakfast now?
I mean, you may not even want me anymore.
Are you out of your mind? Of course I want you. I could never not want you.
It's the right thing to do to give us some time.
What are you saying?
I'm saying that I may not even be on that path with you.
You breaking up with me?
I'm sorry. And I'm doing what's best for you.
Okay, if that's what this means, then forget it. I need you to just change me back. Just turn me back right now.
That's not the way this works. Listen. This is not what I want to do.
No, you're doing what every other man has ever done in my life. They fuck me and then they don't give a damn about me. You fucked me. I hope you're happy.
Play, that's not it.
God, you were like this good guy that actually liked me and cared about me and respected me.
I do.
And God, through all my faults and all my craziness, I mean, I just had all these broken pieces in me that I never thought could ever be put back together until I met you. You make me feel whole. You make me feel normal.
It's so complicated. You have to...
Bye, David. Thank you for everything.
Play.
Buddy, if you love someone, set them free. If they return, it's meant to be. Don't be a schnook. You can't count on that. You gotta go after her.
Thanks, buddy.
It's gonna be a habit.
Yeah, it must be my karma.
I did what you told me to do, and now she's gone.
You did what you had to do.
God, you're such a shrink.
So that we may obtain forgiveness.
You know what? Sometimes you just gotta follow your heart. Give me my crutches.
Watch the branches.
I already lost one love. I'm not gonna lose another.
No fucking way that's gonna happen.
sometimes we get lucky. And life gives us a second chance. Maybe it's happenstance. Or maybe it's synchronicity. All we know is that sometimes it happens. But it happens only if we follow our path. And the path has heart.
By chance, unlike as we can be, but deep inside I could see the beauty in your heart needed setting free. Could you be who you could be?
Look at your shirt.
Look at that lettuce. Perfectly fine.
It is all right.
Look at that. See, still good.
It is. Should we? All right.
Can I eat this?
No.
You assholes.